Hello everyone. Today, I will show you how to fix the problem when ExpressVPN is not connecting to the internet. Before we start, remember there is also a link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. NordVPN is one of the fastest and most reliable VPNs, and if your current VPN keeps failing, it might be worth switching for better stability. If ExpressVPN is not connecting, the first thing to do is check your internet connection without the VPN. Disconnect ExpressVPN and try opening a website. If it does not load, the issue is with your internet provider and not the VPN. If your internet works without the VPN, reopen ExpressVPN and try connecting to a different server location. Sometimes the server you're trying to use might be down or overloaded. Next, try changing your VPN protocol. In ExpressVPN, go to the Settings or Preferences, find the VPN protocol option, and switch to a different one such as Lightway, OpenVPN, or IKEv2. Then, reconnect and see if the internet works. You should also restart your device and, if possible, restart your Wi-Fi router. This clears temporary network issues that could be blocking the VPN connection. If the problem still happens, update ExpressVPN to the latest version or reinstall it completely. Old versions may have bugs or outdated settings that prevent connections. If none of these steps work, your internet provider may be blocking ExpressVPN. In that case, NordVPN is a good alternative because it offers obfuscated servers that hide VPN traffic and bypass these restrictions more effectively. Once again, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and enjoy stable, fast, and secure connections without interruptions.